Welcome to the Foul Mouth News, where the filters are off and the language is colorful. If you are offended by profanity or vulgarity in general, not to mention political incorrectness, this video is not for you. You have been forewarned. So if you have virgin ears, be prepared because they are about to be violated.
Hello, everyone. So, right now, without having the soundboard and wanting to do Rocco's with some of the articles I've picked, I'm feeling, a little restrained, we'll say, because, that kind of pisses me off that my soundboard decided not to work, the application that I use. So, we're going to have to wing this here without the soundboard. And here I am, I'm so professional, I didn't even zoom in the article for the viewers here. Story of my life. So we have an article here from WMUR, well, it's actually an Associated Press article that WMUR is republishing here. And this is complete bullshit. And I mean, you look at the title here. New Hampshire's highest court upholds policy supporting transgender students' privacy. No, the New Hampshire Supreme Court basically said that schools have more rights in regards to your fucking children than than you do. That's what they fucking basically said, because they're like, well, yeah, the school can fucking keep shit from you. This is your fucking child. Ultimately, you are the one who's supposed to have say over their lives and the dominion of them. But hey, the New Hampshire Supreme Court sided with the fucking Manch Vegas fucking school district. Viva Manch Vegas, fucking Manchester, New Hampshire, fucking shithole Democrat city, fucking Nashua, shithole Democrat city. They're the ones who do this shit. And they get a free fucking pass. And it's ridiculous. So let's get into this here. The New Hampshire Supreme Court upheld the school district's policy Friday that aims to support the privacy of transgender students, ruling that a mother who challenged it failed to show it infringed on a fundamental parenting right. What the fuck are you talking about? Fundamental parenting right. You have the parental right, you fucking retards, to know what's going on in your child's life. Because, I mean, shit, if they're thinking that they're all of a sudden a fucking troon, that's, I was going to be nice and say it's either someone trying to be a troon trender, okay, or, they're fucked in the head. But if you want to go that route of being a fucking troon trender, you are fucked in the head. So how is that? When your kid is having mental issues to where they believe they are not the biological sex they were born to, okay, I think a parent has a fucking right to know. And I love how the Associated Press frames this shit. WMUR could have did their own fucking article on this one, but no, they went with the Associated Press's thing, okay? And you look at how fucking slanted this shit is. The rights, how did they frame it? The transgender students' privacy, the rights of transgender, upholds policy of supporting transgender students. So they're treating it like a fucking right. I mean, Jesus Christ, there are things that kids can't do because they're too young. They're not mentally developed enough. All right. A kid can't go out and buy a fucking gun and carry it or anything, but they can go and chop their fucking dick off? Are you kidding me? They can say, I'm going to live as a woman. They can they can't get a tattoo. They can't drink alcohol. I mean, give me a fucking break. I mean, those things are minor in comparison to having your dick fucking splayed like a hot dog and then inverted. But hey, it's not a fundamental parenting right to know what's going on in your kid's head. Fucking retards. I'm sad to say I am disgusted that I'm living in this state with this shit. I mean, give me a fucking break. In a 3-1 opinion, the court upheld a lower court's dismissal of a lawsuit filed by the mother of a Manchester school district student She sued after inadvertently discovering her child had asked to be called at school by a name typically associated with a different gender. At issue is a policy that states, in part, that school personnel should not disclose information that may reveal a student's transgender status or gender non-conforming presentation to others unless legally required to do so or unless the student has authorized such disclosure. Excuse me, they are the fucking parent. They are the ones, okay? A school can say, hey, your kid wants to be a fucking troon, okay, so we're gonna fucking cover up for it. We're not gonna let you know about it. But a kid can't go and get a medical fucking procedure. But see, this is the thing. They want more dominion. The school wants more control. This is fucking bullshit. Any parent who has their kid in a public school in Manchester, New Hampshire should get them the fuck out, because not all the schools are like this in my state. But Manchester's a fucking Democrat fucking shithole. I mean, hell. Is she the governor? Is she the mayor of yeah. We got one fucking person who was involved, like running for governor here, a Democrat, because we have multiple Democrats and multiple Republicans running. And she brags about the fact of being part of the Jan 6 fucking legal shit. You know, she's just some fucking retard. And she took Manchester, which was a fucking shithole to begin with, and made it even fucking worse. And now she wants to fucking, expand that shit to the rest of my fucking state. I mean, hell, I used to have no problems with going and visiting Manchester, because, like, there's actually a really good barbecue place there. Plus you have Fisher Cat baseball. I'd rather go see a Fisher Cat game than a Red Sox game, so fucking shoot me. Because, hey, I think the game's more entertaining. The food's way fucking better. It's way fucking cheaper. I mean, shit. Can you get a lobster roll at fucking Fenway? I mean, give me a fucking break. I won't even go there now for that shit. With stuff like this. I mean, Casey's Rib Shack. I love that place. But oh hell no, I ain't gonna fucking deal with Manch Vegas's fucking retardation. No one should. Get your fucking kids out of this school district. Anyway, by its terms, the policy does not directly implicate a parent's ability to raise and care for his or her child, wrote Chief Justice Gordon MacDonald. We cannot conclude that any interference with parental rights, which may result from a non-disclosure of what? Of disclosure is of constitutional dungeon. What the fuck are you talking about? I mean, this is I'm sorry, but this is a fucking word salad. This is basically, we have nothing. Okay, by its terms, the policy does not directly implicate a parent's ability to raise and care for his or her child. Yes, it does. It literally fucking does. If a kid's coming in and going, yeah, even though I was born Devin, I want to be known as Danielle. Okay, there is seriously some fucked up shit going on with that kid. And how, by denying parents, any knowledge of this, does this, fuck with the ability? How does it do it? Well, let's see. The parents can't deal with the fucking situation and can't get the kids psychological fucking help, because you could even have parents who are for the troon shit, okay? That the kids are afraid to tell their parents, and the parents would actually take them to a fucking shrink and help move along that fucking slippery slope of fucking bullshit, dick chopping off fucking demented shit. I mean, give me a fucking break. These people, oh my God, it does not ability to raise a parent or child. We got to get you off the bench, fucking Gordon. Okay, Gordo, you got to go, fuckwad. I mean, shit, with the last name McDonald, were you fucking drunk, you dumb Mick? I mean, give me a fucking break. It does not... Are you fucking retarded? Holy shit. The Senior Associate Justice James Bassett and Justice Patrick Donovan concurred. In a dissenting opinion, Justice Melissa Countway said she believes the policy does interfere with the fundamental rights of parent. Yeah, because she's fucking right. You people are fucking retarded. Because accurate information in responses to parents' inquiries about a child's expressed gender identity is imperative to the parent's ability to assist and guide their child. I conclude that a school's withholding of such information implicates the parent's fundamental right to raise and care for their child, she wrote. Yeah, the only fucking judge who got it right. The only fucking judge. Jesus fucking Christ. My Supreme Court in my state got this one fucked up. They got this one completely fucking wrong. Neither attorneys for the school district nor the plaintiff responded or phone messages seeking comment Friday. 2 phone messages. I'm sorry. Anyway, an attorney who filed a friend of the court brief on behalf of a transgender student who supports the policy praised the decision. Well, fuck that attorney. Fuck the student. Clearly, they're out. It's not an issue with their parents. Again, kids can't drink, drive, have guns. Well, they can't drive till they're 16. Well, in New Hampshire, 18 unless you go through driver's ed, which really doesn't mean shit. I mean, what the fuck? You can't until you're 18. In New Hampshire, is it like 2? Yeah, it's like if you're under the age of 18, I think it's 2 years or something. But you can't have other minors in the fucking car with you, like your friends and shit. Because they know you're going to do stupid fucking shit. I mean, hell, I know from experience. When me and my friends got in the fucking car, we did stupid shit when we were all together in a fucking car. Hey, let's see how fast we can take that fucking corner. Hey, let's take this thing off-roading. Hey, let's do this. I mean, what the fuck? I mean, give me a fucking break. These teachers have no dominion over these fucking kids. I miss the days, and I mean, you know, people try to be like, oh my God, that's an idealized. No, this is the actual fact of things. It used to be that teachers were fuck tenure. Teachers were accountable to the parents. They were accountable to the school district. They couldn't say, well, fuck you, I got tenure. If teachers did shit that fucking pissed off people, like anyone else, if they did something that was bad, okay, as an employee, they got fucking fired. But because these teachers have fucking tenure, why do you have tenure at a public fucking school? That's fucking retarded. You're a normal salary fucking employee who works an 8 month a year job and makes more money than most of the fucking people, okay, of the students you fucking teach. And they go, oh, we're so broken, we don't make money. Fuck you. Go look at what the fucking salaries are for teachers in fucking Detroit. And they put out the dumbest fucks on the planet. This is fucking retarded shit. You know, you fucks work an 8 month a year job, bow out for 4 months out of a kid's life, only see him once, you know, for 1 year, and you think you have more dominion over the fucking child than the parent. Get fucked. I mean, shit, I wish I had Rocco right now, because I just want to hear, what the fucking fuck of you two fucks fucking fuck. I mean, Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Anyway, we are pleased with the court's decision to affirm what we already know, that students deserve to be treated with dignity and respect and have a right to freely express who they are without the fear of being forcibly outed. Henry Clemenwitz of the ACLU New Hampshire said in a statement, well, fuck you, dude. Okay, fuck you, you fucking Pollock fuck. I mean, Jesus Christ, your ancestry comes from a fucking country, okay, who went up against Hitler's fucking tanks on horseback. Like they were the fucking U.S. cavalry on the 1800s on the fucking plains. And you got fucking your ancestors got ran over. Shut the fuck up. You dumb, retarded fuck. I mean, Jesus H. Christ. Then how is it going to affect their dignity and respect for their parent to know that they're fucked in the head and should probably have someone, you know, who's fucked in the head, because shrinks are either in it for, you know, for the shrinks and psychologists are either in it for the money, or they're completely fucked in the head and they're trying to figure themselves out. That's why they got into the field. So another fucked in the head person should probably work through their fucked up issues. Just saying. I mean, give me a break. The issue has come up several times in the state legislature, most recently with a bill that would have required school employees to respond completely and honestly to parents asking questions about their children. It passed the Senate but died in the House in May. Oh my God, heaven forbid, an involved parent wants to know what's going on in their child's life and the ACLU is against that? Holy fucking Christ, the ACLU used to be for parental rights and telling the state to fuck off. Now it's sitting there sucking the state's dick while giving a fucking reach around, you know, the fucking reach around, okay, to the fucking powerful people that are fucking orchestrating this shit. They ain't for the people. They're sitting there, okay, doing the fucking middle out, fucking stroke off, okay, from the fucking series Silicon Valley when he figures out middle out compression, where they're sitting there figuring out dick to floor and stroke ratio and all that other fucking shit, okay? That's what the ACLU's doing, going, yeah, we can stroke more and more cocks. We're going to help people chop them off after. I mean, what the fuck? Holy shit. The Supreme Court's decision underscores the importance of electing people who will support the rights of parents against a public school establishment that thinks it knows more about raising each individual child than parents do. Senate President Jeb Bradley, a Republican, said in a statement, and he's 110% correct. This is bullshit. This fucking shit. Okay, New Hampshire Supreme Court, appeal it. Appeal it to the fucking U.S. Supreme Court. Because this fucking is definitely an infringement on parental fucking rights. You have a right to know what's going on in your child's life. I mean, you would think, all right, they would rather have uninvolved parents. You would think a school, though, would want their parents involved in their child's lives. We live in fucking clown world, people. I swear to God, this is full on fucking clown world. And I wish I had I'm looking at the buttons on my Stream Deck, for my soundboard, because I have everything for doing my videos on one fucking screen, so to speak, even though it's multiple buttons. And I just want to hit honk honk, and I just want to hit Rocco. I got a picture of fucking Rocco as quote unquote Jafar, okay, yeah, sitting there, and he's just on the button, just fucking taunting me right now, because this really deserves a fucking Rocco. It deserves a honk honk. It deserves all this shit. I'm pissed that my fucking soundboard app isn't fucking working. Anyway, yeah, I've covered this well enough. I'm leaving things here. If you've made it this far and haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to subscribe over on the other platforms where this channel's content is uploaded to, as well as subscribe and follow over on sites like Minds, Gab, and Parler. Links to each are in the description.